Alright, welcome back to the channel, Gabriel here, and if there's something I love about Figma is the ability to use amazing plugins. I actually made a whole video about my top 5 Figma plugins, but today I like to add to that list one more plugin I find myself using all the time. So let's say you're working on a project and you need a specific company logo. You can always search on Google, go to images, and try and download the logo you need. But that process can go a long time, and in most cases you end up with a PNG image in which you can't control the quality or change the color of the logo. So first, let's install a plugin. In your Figma app, click on the home icon, community, click on the plugin tab, and type in logo. What we're looking for is this plugin called Vector Logo. Hit the install button on the right side and bam! Just like that, we have added that plugin to our arsenal. Let's go back to our design tab, and on your canvas, right click on the mouse, go all the way down to plugins and open the Vector Logo plugin. Cool, now you can simply search for anything that comes to mind. For example, let's search for Nike, and bam! You have many Nike logos to choose from, and all of them are Vector logos. Now, some of you are probably wondering, what are vector layers? Vector layers allows you to edit lines that have already been drawn. You can edit the shape of the lines using handles and control points. So, if you double click on the logo, you can actually edit it by moving these points or even add more of them. Of course, we can also change the fill color by clicking on fill and apply a new color. We can hide it, add a stroke and effects like any other shape. We can also scale it up and down without losing quality. We have a complete control over the logo layer. Let's see one more example. I've created this wallet app interface, and let's say I like to add a Mastercard logo right about here. Again, I right click on the mouse, go to plugins, click on Vector Logos and search for Mastercard. I'll choose this one, let's resize it, change it to white color and position it. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this quick tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my design work on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.